If you play a system where there's no fate token or euro token or some meta currency that you can hand out for good role playing, just give a bonus anyways. Ignore the rules. If your player role plays well, give them a bonus on the next roll. Say that they're inspired. Nothing stopped you in any system. It doesn't break anything. What you want to do is incentivize players to role play well and to ask good questions. If they ask great questions, give away something. A bit of info, a trap, whatever it might be. Something you didn't think they'd know straight ahead. But the player asked a great question, give it to them. They role play really well. Just say like, well, the party feels more hopeful. Everyone now gets an advantage or something on the next check. It works in every system. This is all to encourage behaviors from players of, we need to ask clever questions. We need to delve deeper. We need to think about this. We want to be inspiring characters that role play well and maybe do something heroic or something appropriate. And just give them rewards in games with better rolls, or you don't need a meta currency. Give them something. Good answers, advantages on rolls, whatever it might be. Think of something else creative. Reward good gameplay. Thank you, friends.